Hey everybody, today we are going to be working on this beautiful Jaguar XK8. It's like a 96. What a beautiful car. Look at the paint on this thing. This is absolutely beautiful. Well, the car came in to get a state inspection and the driver's seat is broken. You can see right there that the bracketry has broken off the seat frame. Right there. So we are going to get the seat out and take it apart and see if we can weld it back together. So let me get the seat out of this thing. I do believe these pop off, and there's going to be a bolt there and a bolt in the back, and there's going to be two bolts on the other side, an electrical connection for the seat. Let me get the seat out and we'll go from there. Alrighty, I got the seat out. Basically, you have four bolts. One bolt here, up here, and up here. No, here and here. So you have to do the front two first, and then slide the seat forward to get to the back two. So when I put it back in, it's going to be the same way. I'm going to put the two back ones in first, slide the seat back, and then put the other two in. One electrical connection, and this is where it's broken, right there. And right there. So now the next thing to do is we're going to take the electrical seat track off, which is bolted here, 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 and here. Let me get the electrical seat bracket off so we can figure out what we're going to have to do to re-weld these pieces back in. Okay, I got the electric part of the seat track back. Unfortunately, this has a wire harness here that runs up into the back of the seat, and I don't want to mess with that. I was able to unplug this, and this over here and got this farther back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to unhook the seat cover here, here, and up front here, and probably take this out also so I can pull the cover down to get in here to weld it. Here are the pieces that have broken off. This one goes here, and then this one goes over here. What I thought was kind of funny is, I don't know if you can read that or not, it says Ford. All right. So I went ahead and disconnected the seat covering here, here, and here. Actually, I don't need to take that off. That goes to the frame. So I have this pulled back now. I'm probably going to shove a piece of metal in here to help protect it and then put a fender cover underneath when I'm welding. So these pieces go right in there like that. So I'm going to get in here with a die grinder and I'm going to clean these up, and I'm going to clean this side up over here, and then I'll get the welder out and I'll tack them in place, and then we'll take and weld them up. So we're just about ready to get welding. So what I did is I took my old apron and laid it down in here. I have a heat shield here. I put a rag in here trying to cover up everything. I have my ground strap on. So I'm going to have to come in here and I'm going to have to hold the tab and spot weld the tab on so I can continue welding. Let me get this welded in and I'll come back and show you how it turned out. Alright, so I went ahead and I spotted it, and then I went ahead and welded it the rest of the way. And it's nice and strong, and it's got good penetration. This new welder, this Lincoln welder I got, is rocks. It just rocks. All right, let me get set up for the other side, and we'll weld the other side in also. We're all set up on this side. I went ahead and already tacked it there. I got all my covers in, so I'll just go ahead and buzz it, and we should be ready to put the seat track all back together. Alright, we got that one all tacked in. There's smoke a little bit, but now I can go ahead and take this stuff out of here. And now we'll go ahead and put the seat track back on. So we got the seat track bolted back up there. And those are the 2 tabs I welded. I got the seat back together. I'll worry about cleaning the seat from my greasy hands after I get it back in the car. That's in, it's nice and tight. So I was getting ready to put the seat back in, and I always want to come over and look and make sure that there's nothing falling down that's going to be in the way. And I put this here in the sill to try to protect the sill. Here's one thing I don't quite understand. They have washers underneath where all 4 bolts go. I don't understand why they have washers. That's just going to make it harder to put the bolts back in, but it shouldn't be that bad. So we almost got it back together. Alrighty, we got the seat back in and all cleaned. Everything works. It goes forward, it goes back, it goes reclines, it goes up, it goes down, and it's no longer falling apart. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can do that right there in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Please share, and thank you all for watching.